Pastor John, we've really gotten to a place in an age where we're not humble. We no longer observe the fear of God, the reverence of God.
No.
To the point where, we say anything or we do anything that we want, not aware of the eyes of God that are upon us, because he's with us whether we're doing right or we're doing wrong. He's right there looking at you like, I mean, for me, I think it really, and this is something that was drilled into me early on in ministry, even before I was a minister. And I know I've said it before, and I'm gonna sound like my father because I sound like a broken record because I keep saying the same thing over and over again. It really is an issue of the development of your character. That if you have not developed the caliber of character that allows you to, first of all, be humble. Because whenever I get up before the people of God, whether it's Wednesday Bible study, Sunday morning Sunday school, or in the main service on Sunday morning, I'm scared to death, Minister Terrell. I'm like, oh my God, I got to do this again. Did I get the right word? Do I have the right scriptures? Did I write down the right notes? Am I hearing correctly? Did I really hear from you in terms of what you're saying? And I'm telling you, I completely depend on God when it comes to ministry to people. I know I'm not smart enough or bright enough to come up with any of the stuff that I write down. Right. I know I'm not. I know I'm inadequate. I know I'm deficient. You know what I'm saying?
And I'm good with that.
Right.
Yes. It's every day.
The thing is, he chooses to use us regardless of our inadequacies and our deficiencies, because we make ourselves available to him, and we are humble before him. I'm not sitting here thinking, oh, I got a word from the Lord. Oh, I just got to preach this. Oh, I just want to run and tell somebody. No. If I ever run into anybody like that, if any of y'all were like that, I would be like, nope, see you, bye. I don't want to be around. I don't want to be around ground zero when lightning strikes, because I take the people of God's lives seriously. God is a jealous God, and he loves his people, and he's willing to do anything for his people, even if it means removing leaders that abuse his people, that misuse and mistreat his people. And I think Pastor John, we've really gotten to a place in an age where we're not humble. We no longer observe the fear of God, the reverence of God. No. To the point where, we say anything or we do anything that we want, not aware of the eyes of God that are upon us, because he's with us whether we're doing right or we're doing wrong. He's right there looking at you like, yeah, I'm here. How is it that you're not recognizing him? And we've gotten so far away from the fear of God. And again, these are basic fundamentals. The fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. That's what the Bible says.
Yeah.
We've left this thing in order to pursue our own personal agendas to fulfill some grand ambition that we have. Yep. It's not our kingdom. It's not our bride. This belongs to God, 100%. I didn't shed not one drop of blood for this, not one. This totally belongs to God. And if we as leaders can recognize that we ought to humble ourselves, if we as leaders can recognize, hey, maybe I need to work on a particular aspect of my character because I'm deficient in a certain area in terms of actually submitting myself to the purpose and the will of God, we need to give it up. I'm sorry. Yeah. We need to give it up.
Hey guys, it's Pastor John here. Please, if you like this video that you just saw, hit that like button for us. Second thing I want to ask you to do is to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out videos once a day at about 5:30 p.m. Hit that bell notification so that you'll know when a new video has been uploaded. And then the final thing to do, share this video, share this information. If you know somebody that has a need that it can be benefited by it, please put it out in circulation so that we can try to help as many people as possible. Thanks, and God bless.